So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. We can run it in the background as you complete the next step in the video, so you just want to minimize this. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you run this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in edit group policy. Click on it. And then once you run this, under user configuration, you want to expand administrative templates. And now you're going to click on start menu in taskbar. And now this will come up on the right side. And then once you run this, you're going to click on setting on the top, which will now sort this by alphabetical order. Now you're going to find do not allow pinning programs to the taskbar. Double click on this. Set this to not configured. Make sure that it's on not configured and then click on OK. And you could do the same thing for the one under it as well. Do not allow pinning store app to the taskbar. Double click on it. Make sure that you have this on not configured and then click on OK. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.